बोलो वो क्या है? What is it? It's raining. Today is what? Today is Sunday. School is off. Today is Sunday and the weather is very nice. Maybe it's a first rain from the summer. Summer is coming, spring is coming, my daughter's birthday is also coming. So I thought why not to shoot, because here the weather is not always same at one time. In the morning it was sunny day and in the afternoon is like this, and it's a spring. Wait Bobo, it's a spring first rain and there are so many of कोहरे देख सकते हो यार इसमें. So I was telling you, in Kathmandu the weather is not always same. In the morning it was sunny and in the afternoon it was raining. And see this, oh this is looking very pretty and I was waiting for this season because यहाँ पे सर्दियाँ अभी तो कम नहीं हुई हैं. But still, you know, lots of flowers, they started coming, you know, spring flowers. I will show you it. That one there in orange flower, I really like this. When you take a picture, it gives you very a good cinematic view. And sometimes, like when I do puja, I use these flowers for puja. And let me show you if you can see. I cannot there because of the rain. Are you enjoying this? Are you enjoying this spring's first rain?
Yes.
Yes? Look at here. Whose birthday is coming? When is your birthday?
Spring season.
8th April, spring season. See, all the seeds started coming. We have apple tree, we have pear tree, we have that halwa pe tree, and everything is started coming, you know. View आने शुरू हो गए हैं, बीज आने शुरू हो गए हैं उनके. Oh, this will be a fun. So here I can show you maybe this, if you can see a little bit of white thingy, that's all hailstorms. ओले पड़े थे यहाँ पे छोटे छोटे. मौसम मौसम lovely मौसम. So guys, this if you watching this area, this whole area, this is our vegetable garden. Here we have, अभी क्योंकि सीज़न शुरू हुआ है, so हमने दोबारा से मिट्टी को खोद के पुरानी सब्जियों को निकाल के नई सब्जियां बोई हैं, जिसमें मेथी, धनिया, पुदीना, मिर्च, खीरा, करेला, बीन्स, सब कुछ है. तो देखो अब स्प्रिंग आ गया तो बहुत जल्दी ये भी आएगा. Good morning guys. So this is my breakfast for today. I got late for breakfast because I was just giving water to the plants. And today is what? Today is Monday. Daughter gone school, husband gone office, and after sending them I am having this tea and सेवइयाँ, जवे, नमकीन जवे, मुझे बहुत पसंद है ये. सो गाइस, मैं अभी आपको वेदर दिखाऊंगी. yesterday I showed you the weather. आज आप देखना कैसा है. So I just wanted to show you changes in weather. Like 2 घंटे में ये, 3 घंटे में वो, 4 घंटे में वो. It's like that only. So keep on watching. Hey guys, so I told you it's Monday and now I'm going to I've taken a bath, everything, but I thought because of the Holi I have kind of a tanning on my skin, on my face. So somebody had given this nature's essence remedy for tan removal, lacto bleach. इसमें क्या करना होता है? You don't need to apply it like a bleach. There is no powder inside. There's a cream. You have to, you know, like you have to apply on this on your face and just wait for 10-15 minutes and just, you know, massage it gently on your face and then just wash it. So this is what I'm going to use. Hi guys, so this is how my skin looking. I was using this, I told you, remedy tan removal. बहुत ज़्यादा मुझे टैनिंग हो गया था, so I hope थोड़ा सा तो क्लियर हुआ है. My hair are wet and look who is here. Hi Didi.
Hi.
So she's my sister-in-law and yeah, keep on watching. I will show you weather around अभी. कल मैंने आपको जो दिखाया था, I will show you today's weather also. Monday, today is Monday. मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी. Okay, keep on watching. So guys, today is Monday and Monday का weather कुछ ऐसा है. सुबह बहुत तेज़ धूप निकली थी. It was a sunny day. लेकिन अब हल्का हल्का छाया शुरू हो गई आनी. अगर आप देखो वहाँ पे तो थोड़ी सी धूप, थोड़ी सी छाँव है. तो मैं आपको दिखाती रहूँगी. कीप ऑन वॉचिंग. Hi guys, today is Tuesday and today is a sunny day. Let me show you around, and I have told you about the weather. It changes often, like after 2-3 hours it's something else and after 3-4 hours something else, next day something else. So I'm in the car and I'm going somewhere. I have an association for the jewelry with some showroom and I'm going to have a meeting with them. So I will show you around. Keep on watching, keep on watching. I will show you around. Okay. So this is how the weather is. Weather is very sunny today, but still it is going and coming. If you can see that this thing, धूप आ रही है. It's very sunny day. Hi guys, so I am finally here in Roadhouse in Lambe Mall. I was feeling very much hungry and there is a surprise. Look, I am with my friend and this friend have a big thing. Let me show you. Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm good. My camera is not focusing right. Say, oh, now it's focusing. Yeah. So this is my friend Priya and she's a fashion designer. Hi everyone. She's from Kathmandu and you must have seen her. Whosoever have an interest in fashion, you must have seen her in Kathmandu runway show. And she does very good work with the traditional outfits, with the western outfits. Priya, you have to make me also one. You know?
Yeah, sure.
Give me one dress, at least one attire according to my suit, you know, according to my figure also. As I'm so fatty.
I know.
So what are you doing here?
So excited to meet her finally after so long. So we're just chilling, having pizza and yeah, just chilling.
So, don't you want to say subscribe and all?
Yeah, subscribe. Yeah, do subscribe, do share and do comment.
Guys, I paid her to say subscribe my channel and she didn't. So guys, keep on watching and I'm chilling here. Today is Tuesday, as I told you, like I will be vlogging my days, like random days or with the weather thing. And